This is a gelatin silver print by Karl Blossfeldt, made in Germany in 1932 from his celebrated series of extreme close-up botanical photographs. Centered against a uniform gray ground, the image captures the seed capsule of Blumenbachia hieronymi asterisk, a flowering plant in the Loasaceae family, photographed from directly above. 6 swollen, finely textured lobes spiral outward from a dark central opening, their pinwheel arrangement suggesting engineered precision rather than organic growth. Blossfeldt made these photographs over decades as teaching aids for his students at the Berlin School of Arts and Crafts, using a homemade camera capable of magnifying subjects up to 30 times their actual size, transforming specimens too small to study with the naked eye into monumental sculptural forms. This image is remarkable for the way Blossfeldt's overhead framing and raking light dissolve any sense of biological scale, making the capsule read simultaneously as an architectural detail, a cast metal ornament, and a living structure, embodying his conviction that all human design originates in natural form. This description was written by Claude Anthropic's AI, with narration by Kokoro text-to-speech.